Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to barb skin fade afro. You know what I'm saying? Skin fade afro. So like I taught you guys last time, if you want to skin any hair, first and foremost what you need to do is to join this blade together. Make sure the teeth are joined together. Then you texture the way, you follow the way you want it to go and skin the hair. You know, when the blades are joined together, it's not going to injure your client. Rather, your client will just feel asleep. So as you are watching this, I told you guys in my last video that as you are learning this, first and foremost, be watching how the person that is teaching you is holding his or her clipper. Watch the way I'm holding the clipper right now. Watch the way I'm moving it, the way I'm turning it, and make sure you brush your hair always. Now we have skinned the first part. The second one now is to create a shape for the blending. What you're going to do is to open the blade. Open the blade. If you watch what I did there, you can see that the level between the skinned part and the place that I open the blade are not the same. So this is the place your blending is going to start from. So as I open the blade, see the way I raise it up to blend it. Now the next thing you have to do, you have created a part 1 shape. After that, you take your step 1 and put it into the blade and close it up and create another blending line. You see the way it's going? It's getting smoothing, right? So this is how you're going to watch the way I'm holding the clipper. Watch the way I'm moving my hand. This is the most important thing you need to do. Once you know how to hold your clipper, there is no hair that you cannot barb. What the way I'm doing it now. Watch it. What the distance between the skinned part and the part that I put on the step 1. Now you know this is an African hair. It's very strong, unlike the Western hair. So you open the blade. You know the blade is still in the step 1. You open it and follow the pattern the way I hold the clipper. You see the way I hold it and blend it and blend it. Make sure you are brushing your hair to see how the blending is going. You see the way I do it. You hold the clipper the way I'm holding it. Blend the hair the way I'm blending it to get it appropriately, because this is an African man's hair, very strong. Watch it. Watch what I'm doing. I'm taking off the part that outgrow the first layer that I did. Watch what I'm doing. Please, as you are liking this, as you are seeing this, and if you are learning something, please help us to subscribe, because we are going to learn a lot. Like, comment anything. If you have any question to ask, please comment. I will answer you. Share this video to support us. Don't forget subscribe, because very soon the next video I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to join this blade, how to set this blade to get this result. Watch the blending. You see, it's fine, right? It's fine, right? It's not hard. It's not hard. It's just matter of patience and consistency. You have to be consistent. You know what I'm saying? So watch what I'm doing. Watch what I'm doing. You see, look at the hair that we started. Look at the way it's looking now. Now take a look at what happened here. Take a look very well. Take a close look. Don't you like it? There is nothing hard. Sorry, there is nothing hard in barbing hair. The basic thing you need to know is to know how to hold your clipper, move your clipper, the pattern it should go. You know what I'm saying? So please support us, like, comment and share. At the end of this video, you must surely learn something. I'm not bragging and I'm not making it look as if, but I believe that if you follow this process, you will comment in the box that you cut your husband's hair, your brother's hair, your kid's hair through this pattern. Watch what I'm doing. Now I want to take off that skinned part, that line. There is a line there. I want to take it off. How do you take it off? You put the blade together again. Use the edge. Use the edge, the tip side, and take off the line. You see? Can you see the line? And look at what I just did now. After I take it off, I still blend the hair down. Can you see that? So please, you are going to learn a lot. You are going to learn a lot in this my channel. Don't take it like, okay, oh, what is this? No, you have to learn something, a craft. We are in this era that you don't need to be looking for any shop that you go and be studying. Everything you want to learn, once you follow it very well, you learn it online. When you want to trim off hair, make sure the blade is open. Open the blade. But if you put it on skin, your hand might shake and the thing will blend up those hair. To chop the hair like the way Nigerians used to say it. To chop the hair. So you open the blade, take your time to clean it off. You know what I'm saying? Watch it very well. Is that different now? Now, if you want to, the next part we are going now is to shape the hair, to give it a line up. See what I'm doing? Once you barb off any hair, you brush it to see how the blend is. Understand what I'm saying? After this part, we are going to do what? Give it a line to shape the hair. How do you shape a hair? When you want to shape a hair, you repeat the pattern that you did when you are skinning the hair. You join the blade together. You join the blade together. Make sure that none is bigger than each other, so that it will not give your client an injury. That's what I'm saying. Now, one thing you need to know again is that there is how our hair shape is. Everyone's head shape is different. Watch where the head started from. Watch the angle, the length of which the hair started from. That is where you are going to take your friction from. You see? Just calm down, take your time, do what you want to do, and that is it. If you are getting it, please don't forget, subscribe. Make this family your family, because there are a lot. I'm going to teach a lot. I'm going to tell you what to do to avoid dandruff on your head, what you need to do to make your hair grow naturally, what you need to do to avoid hair breakage, what you need to do and when to apply hair cream and when not, when to use shampoo to wash your hair, how to apply dye tint on your hair, how to mix it. All those things, they are chemical, but there are some things you need to add to subsidize the chemical. So these are the things you are going to learn in this channel. Stay, be part of us, like, comment, share, invite your friends to come and join the family. Let's grow together. Learning is inevitable. We all learn every day. If you see what I'm doing here that is not the way it's supposed to, you correct me, I take correction. And if you see that I'm doing it right, you give me a thumbs up. That shows you are encouraging me. That shows you are following up. That shows you are part of the family. We are learning together. This is what I'm doing. Make sure you clean off your client's face. So I believe with this little explanation of what I did, I believe you too can do that. You too can do that. You can even do more better than I did. Understand? So please like, comment, share, follow this channel. Let's grow together. Alright. So watch it very well. Watch closely. There's nothing hard in barbing. Barbing is not hard. It's just the right positioning of your hand, the right positioning of your clipper, and that is just it. You're a pro. Someone will tell you that that thing is very very difficult to do. It's not. What if it's difficult? Why the person be able to do that? Don't let anyone to discourage you. Anything you want to do, just have that zeal, be consistent, and that is just it. There you go. So I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. So that is how it is. This is a skin fade afro, a perfect skin fade afro. Oh, I did it wrong. Nothing to add, nothing to subtract, nothing to use to edit or whatever. I did it wrong. So I believe with this, you too can do it. Thank you for staying.